Again, we do have potential problems, though. Autoimmune diseases is when your immune system thinks that part of you is an invader, and that's not good. Self-tolerance is what the immune system should have as the white blood cells develop. Okay, what's around me? Okay, that's me. So this is what I should not be attacking. And so that's the way the immune system is supposed to work. But there are a variety of possible diseases that can develop where the immune system thinks some particular type of cell in the body is in fact an invader and attacks it. And of course, the cells that are supposed to be there, if you're damaging those, that's not good for you. It's been suggested, though kind of hard to test, that with modern hygiene, our immune system has less work to do and may be more likely to wrongly identify something in the body as a target. That's pretty hard to test. Maybe it's just that you had so much dying from disease anyway that you didn't see the autoimmune that would have happened before. It does take some technology to detect as well. Sometimes a disease can lead to autoimmune problems. A number of pathogens try to sneak in by resembling the host in some way. For example, the current coronavirus is an enveloped virus, meaning that it picks up some of the host cell membrane around itself as a protective layer. That's also why the coronavirus is quite vulnerable to soap. Soap will help break up that membrane, and then the virus will not, well, survive is quite the word for something that's not exactly alive, but the virus is non-functional. But if your immune system realizes, hey, something's wrong here, and develops a way to attack that, that's so close to your own cells that it may lead to the immune system also attacking things that are supposed to be there. So there are potential issues like that that are a danger. Another example of a problem here is with the Rh factor. This is an antigen found on the blood. And so if you have this, then your immune system is used to it. Okay, Rh, referred to as antigen D, on the red blood cells. Okay, that's supposed to be here. However, if you are Rh negative, then your immune system does not recognize antigen D as something that should be there. And so if you encounter Rh positive blood, though you are Rh negative, your immune system says, what's this? I don't recognize it. Must be bad. Makes antibodies. And so there are two situations. You don't generally have blood from somebody else inside you very much, but blood transfusion. These days, of course, blood type is checked, including the Rh factor. And if you are Rh negative, then you only get blood donations from somebody who is Rh negative, or blood that has the Rh part removed. If you're Rh positive, well, blood that doesn't have the stuff, well, that's fine. You're used to having it, but stuff that doesn't would be okay in your body as well. And so you can receive either Rh negative or Rh positive blood if you are Rh positive. If you're Rh negative, you cannot accept Rh positive blood. The other situation where close encounter with blood comes up is in pregnancy. If a mother is Rh negative, but the baby inherits Rh positive gene from the father, now here's Rh positive that the mother's bloodstream is encountering to some degree due to carrying the baby, and so may start to make antibodies against the Rh, the antigen D protein. Generally, for one pregnancy, that's not a problem, but in a subsequent pregnancy, with the antibodies already there as the acquired immune pattern, then that antibody level may be enough to the extent that the antibodies come across from the mother to the baby, which normally is useful protection. Baby gets some of the antibodies that mother had for protection, but these antibodies would be attacking the proteins on the baby's red blood cells, and this can cause health problems or even death for the developing infant. Another problem where immune system is going wrong is an allergic reaction. Basically, that's when the immune system identifies something as a threat that isn't really. So this is known as hypersensitivity. You're more sensitive than you should be to some substance that isn't really a problem. So for example, pollen. Again, pollen, that's our male gametophyte from seed plants such as gymnosperms and flowering plants. We've got plenty of pollen out there right now, springtime, and it's just the male gametophyte. It's not going to do anything if it gets in you. In fact, you might be able to get some protein from it, but it's not you. You are not a plant. And so the immune system, when it detects pollen, this is definitely not me. Maybe I better attack it. And so your immune system may develop antibodies that bind on the pollen, and then next time around that you encounter that same sort of pollen, your immune system thinks this is a dangerous invader rather than just a harmless nuisance, and you get the immune responses of the inflammation and the sneezing and all that sort of thing. And sometimes some allergies can be extreme to the point of dangerous, potentially deadly if somebody encounters the trigger because the immune response is so excessively large.